The call you have made requires a coin deposit. Please hang up momentarily, listen for dial tone, deposit coin, and dial your call again.
Yeah, it's dinged up for sure.
A ding?
If you...
You know, buddy, that's not gonna just buff out. I mean, this thing is like crumpled aluminum foil.
Fuck, you're right. Oh, God, fuck, I'm an idiot. That's what my dad's gonna say. He's gonna say I'm a fucking idiot.
Hard ass, huh?
Yeah, it's an understatement.
911, what's your emergency?
No emergency. I just want to talk to you.
Sir, are you injured?
No, I'm not. I just want to talk to you.
Wait, what?
I put a bomb in Union Station.
Are you serious?
Hey, you paged me?
Yeah, I did. Where are you right now?
I'm out over in, I don't know what part of town it is, but I'm in the city. So, what's going on?
Okay. You can call me, please?
What do you mean? I just got off the train. Mary, is everything okay?
I just really need you to come home.
Yeah, I fucked up. It's me, it's Ramsey. I really fucked up.
Will you say it already? I have to leave for my
I
train.
got in a crash. I crashed your car.
No, you
Yeah.
didn't.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you
Come on, why are you doing this? Just tell me what's going on, please? All right, like I don't have a lot of time right now.
I'm pregnant.
What? Are you sure?
Is that all you care about is the car? You didn't even ask if I was okay, Dad.
Well, are you hurt?
I'm fine. Just, you're missing the point.
Ramsey, you're calling me. You sound fine.
You know, part of me just wishes I got T-boned.
Mary, please, just try and see this from my perspective.
Ed, I'm giving you a choice. It's only gonna get harder from here.
I know. And I love you. But you know how much this promotion means to me. So can we please just talk about this later?
If you can't give me enough time now, what should I expect when we're married?
Yeah, I'm sorry about the car.
I'm the one who's sorry. I kind of flipped out there. Sorry, kid.
Yep, it's fine. It's been a crazy day, so I don't know. I get it, I guess.
All right, so drop me off at the train station and we'll talk when I come home?
Yeah, that sounds good.
The number you have called is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number and dial again. Message CP22.